Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the type of the currency in the Airbnb application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and in the right corner you will find the profile option. Press on it. And now if you scroll down a little bit under the settings category, you will find the payments and payouts option. Press on it. And now you should look at the top of your right corner, and there you will find basically the currency option. And if you press on it, you can select here the type of currency that you want to use. Now for example, I select here euro, and once I have pressed on it, you can see in the top of your right corner that the type of the currency was changed. So this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.